Welcome. If you've ever muted channels in your Discord server and then wondered where they disappeared to, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to reveal those hidden, muted channels in just a few easy steps. Whether you're managing a bustling community or just want to keep tabs on every conversation, this updated guide will help you stay organized and in control. Let's dive right in. First, open up Discord on your device and head over to the server where you want to see your muted channels. You'll find your list of servers on the left side of the screen. Simply tap on the server icon that you want to work with. Once you're inside the server, look up at the very top of the screen. You'll see the server's name displayed there. Tap on the server's name to open up the Server Options menu. This menu is where you can adjust all sorts of settings for your server experience. Now, scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Hide Muted Channels. By default, this setting might be turned on, which is why your muted channels are out of sight. To bring them back, just toggle off the switch next to Hide Muted Channels. Instantly, all of your muted channels will reappear in your channel list, but they'll still remain muted, so you won't get notifications from them unless you unmute them. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can easily view all muted channels in any Discord server. This is especially handy if you want to quickly check in on conversations without being bombarded by notifications, or if you're a server admin who needs to keep an eye on every part of your community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.